So once again, good morning to everyone. So nag-video to gusob kay dito sa amin entrance sa kinetics building. Human kinetics building is na-observe na po na to na wala, nakalock. So ayun, wala nakalock ang door. Ito open. So dito sa lumahin, open ang portahan dito. May gloss light na against the light and open ang door sa ito itong open ang door sa physical education room 201. So possible man nga na kung 5-9 napakita ito doon. Schedule natin $1,600 plus to $5,400. So dahil lang ta tuyok na sa exit door ni Human Kinetics building. So kita naka-lock ya. Exit door sa Mozo High School Principal's Office. Cutlery sa steeds or sa covered court area. Umingaw ang palibot. Check na to ang main door sa Lumatog High School Principal's Office. Close and lock. So ang dito na to is sumpay may another video pero magiging date ka lang is June 4 2024 Tuesday. Time check ta 00:59 hours 00:57 hours or 12:57 AM. So that's all for now. Till next video pa man sa laki na itong observation. Thank you very much for watching.